today I'm gonna show you one of my birthday presents. This is what my parents gave me. Silent Hill 2 Pyramid Head. This is the upper one, side, back. This is him. Now let's open it. My. Oh. Ooh. Cover. These are the accessories here. Plastic units are like this is the figure. The arm, I don't know why I took off. There it is. Move. Move. This ball joint, the head. It's wonky and it goes down because this is too big and heavy. And his arms. That. On to the accessories. So we're gonna show you the accessories. So this is the spear. We're gonna connect it. No, backwards. Ow! I got stabbed. Oh my! Again. It's so sharp. This is sharp. So I'm gonna test. Oh, one hurts. See? Sharp. And onto this big sword. See? Woo! It's also sharp. This is the extra hands, change. So this is Pyramid Head with his spear and the giant sword. Oh, cool. And oh my, this big sword person. Bye guys, and always remember, fly high and stay